Chapter 5 Response in Plants. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum guys. Today we will be presenting 5.1 about type of responses. Responding to stimuli is a characteristic of organisms to ensure survival. Plants like human and animal can adapt to their surroundings. Normally, plants respond to surrounding stimuli are known as growth responses. There are two types of responses, tropism responses and nastic responses. Tropism responses. The responses of certain parts of a plant such as roots and shoots that respond to it or away from a stimulus. There are several types of tropism in plants which are thigmotropism, geotropism, hydrotropism, phototropism, and chemotropism. Characteristic of tropism. First, the response is permanent and influenced by plant hormones. The response is low and not apparent. The response direction is dependent on the direction of the stimulus. Fourth, positive tropism, growth towards direction of stimulus. Fifth, negative tropism, growth away from stimulus. Types of tropism. Number 1, thigmotropism. Thigmotropism is the plant response to touch. Tendrils exhibit positive thigmotropism by coiling or wrapping around an object such as wooden stick for support. Number 2, geotropism is the plant response to gravity. Shoots show negative geotropism, roots show positive geotropism. Next, hydrotropism, the plant responds to water. Roots show positive hydrotropism because they grow towards light. Phototropism, the plant responds to light. Shoots show positive phototropism towards light. Last but not least, chemotropism is the plant response to chemical. Roots show positive chemotropism when they grow towards light. Roots show negative chemotropism when they grow away from chemical substances such as poison.
Nastic response. Nastic response include photonasty, seismonasty, nistinasty, thermonasty, and thigmonasty. There are three characteristics of nasty responses. First, not all nasty responses are growth response. Second, this response is quicker and more apparent compared to tropism response. Third, some nasty responses are intended for survival. First types of nasty responses is photonasty. Typically, flower petals engage in photonasty as a response to light. The example of photonasty is Japanese rose open when they receive maximum sunlight, and Japanese rose close at night. Next is seismonasty. Seismonasty is a plant response that occurs due to mechanical stimulus such as shock, touch, wind, and raindrops. Seismonasty response can be seen on leaf, stigma, and stamens. The example of seismonasty is mimosa plant. Next is nistinasty. Nistinasty is a circadian rhythm that responds toward the onset of darkness. Normally, the leaf of liquid plants such as the river tamarind closes its leaf at night and unfurls them during daytime. Thermonasty. Thermonasty is the plant response to a change in the surrounding temperature. For example, tulips open when there is an increase in temperature and close when the temperature drops. Lastly, thigmonasty. Thigmonasty is the plant response to a vibration. This response can be seen in carnivorous plants such as the Venus flytrap. The exerted stimulus causes it to clamp its leaf shut and trap the insect inside it.